Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, can you listen to music with one earphone? So you can put only one earbud to the charging case or remove one earbud from the charging case and then close the case. And you can use the second earbud. To prove it for you, we can go to the settings and Bluetooth, and as you can see I still have connection with these earbuds but use only the one. But you cannot connect your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with another device. You can connect both of your earbuds to one device or two, because this earbud support dual connection, so you can connect two devices with your earbuds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!